If you're researching DHI transplant costs in Turkey, you're probably comparing clinics, reading reviews, and trying to figure out what's actually worth your money. That process can take months, and we get it. It's a big decision. In this video, we'll break down exactly how DHI pricing works in Turkey, what's included in a proper package, and what you should realistically expect to pay in 2026. DHI hair transplant prices in Turkey range from 2,500 to 6,000 euros, depending on the clinic and the package. If you come across offers significantly below that range, you should really dig into your research to understand if they are actually reliable. What you want is a clinic that offers transparent, all-inclusive pricing, with no hidden fees added after you arrive. The difference is significant. In the United States, the surgical costs alone range between $10,000 and $20,000. Once you factor in anesthesia, consultation fees, aftercare, and accommodation, the total can exceed $30,000. In the UK, DHI procedures cost between £6,000 and £15,000, and that's per session. If your hair loss requires 4,000 grafts or more, you may need multiple sessions, which compounds the cost further. By comparison, Turkey offers the same, often higher standards of care at fraction of the price. That's not a coincidence, it's the result of lower operation costs, a highly competitive medical tourism market, and decades of specialization. Most reputable clinics in Turkey, including Vera Clinic, work on a fixed all-inclusive package model, not a per-graft pricing model. This means your package covers the full medical procedure, surgical fees, aftercare treatment, and your hotel stay. The number of grafts is determined based on your specific hair loss pattern and donor area. It's not tied to which package you choose. The reason clinics do this is pretty simple. International patients travel thousands of kilometers, and they deserve a cost certainty. No surprise invoices, no last-minute additions. At Vera Clinic, we offer two all-inclusive DHI packages. The Hyper DHI package includes the DHI transplant procedure using the Choi implanter pen, the PRP therapy, laser therapy, oxycure therapy, and a 3-night stay at a 5-star hotel. This package is priced at 3,990 euros. For patients who need greater coverage or density, the DHI Max package divides the procedure into 2 sessions to maximize graft placement. It includes a 4-night hotel stay and an advanced healing protocol for faster, safer recovery. Both packages are designed around one goal: natural-looking, long-lasting result, with the full support of our clinical team before, during, and after your procedure. Your main out-of-pocket cost outside the package will be your flight and personal expenses. Food, sightseeing, shopping, everything related to your treatment is covered. No separate billing for anesthesia, no extra charges for aftercare, and no surprises at checkout. Istanbul is also one of the most rewarding cities to recover in. Many of our patients use the downtown to explore the city and leave with more than just a hair transplant. Vera Clinic has treated over 40,000 patients across 13 and more years, with a consistent focus on precision, safety, and results that look natural, not transplanted. If you have questions about your specific case, graft requirement, or which package suits you best, reach out to us directly. Our consultation team will give you an honest assessment. No pressure, no overselling. See you soon.